You have to create an account on Perplexity AI. So creating an account has a lot of advantage. It can actually help you with a lot of things. Like for example, it can store your history as well as enable this pro version right here. So you need to head over and then continue with Google, Apple, or single sign-on. So let me just head over and continue with Google right here. And then once you have clicked on it, you should be redirected to the Google. Now select your Google account. And then from in there, it should redirect you to this another page wherein you can just head over and click on continue in order to reach this continue on the Perplexity AI. So as you can see, it also has citations at every response and the answers are accurate and always cited. This actually has the potential to replace Google. Click on continue right here and you can see in here this free version as well as this professional version. So you have 5 searches per day with this. So let me head over and then continue with 3 right here. And you can see in here Perplexity for your phone. So let's head over and continue right here. And you can also ask your first question. So let me just skip that right there. So in here, I'll head over and add in here or ask anything. Like for example, let's say something like, how does calcium affect your bones? So you can send that right here, and then it will show you a precise and accurate response. And you can see that there has some numbers right here, like for example, this one. And when you hover to that particular number, you can see in here the citations. So hover to that, you can see the citations, and in here you can see 3. You can see there's another citation, and the 4 right here, there's also another citation that whenever you click on that particular number, you can see the actual site wherein it came from. So this came from the National Institutes of Health, which is a very reputable source for research. And as you can see, this is a real citation, not like the citations provided by ChatGPT right there. So as you can see, there's a lot of things that it gives you. So you can head over and then copy it and share it.
So that's how you create an account on Perplexity AI. Hope we helped.